हर्ष की बात है कि आज हमारे भी डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन जो हमारे स्वास्थ्य मंत्री हैं और हमारे डीएमए के पास प्रेसिडेंट हैं, और हमें बहुत नाज है कि वो जिस ईमानदारी और जिस तपस्या के साथ उन्होंने राजनीति में भी काम किया है और डॉक्टरों के लिए वो एक मिसाल है। हम सब उनका अभिनंदन करते हैं। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा और हमारे प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर अनिल गोयल से कि वो अपने वेलकम स्पीच।
Good evening, friends. Good evening, dignitaries of the dais. Our Honorable Health Minister of India, Dr. Harshvardhan sir, who is not only the Health Minister of the country but also is our mentor and our guru, who has taught not only us but the country what is the meaning of honesty and what is the meaning of honest performance. Sir, we welcome you here on behalf of Delhi Medical Association and Delhi Medical Forum. Dr. M.C. Mishra sir, who is a surgeon par excellence and the director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Arun Agrawal sir, President Delhi Medical Council. Dr. Vinay Agrawal, President SEMA and past President IMA. Dr. J.K. Jain, past President DMA. My friends, office bearers of DMA, Dr. Lekhi, CM Bhagat, Udar, and the convener of today's program, Dr. Praveen Banod, and Dr. Harish Gupta, who is not only the past president, he is the chairman of today's program. We also have with us DMA's past presidents, and we have the oldest past presidents to the newest past president here. We welcome you all here, sir. We also have DMA branch president secretaries and their team, representatives of Joint Action Council of Service Doctors, represented by Dr. Rajiv Sood, contract doctor representatives. We also have resident doctor representatives, Dr. Balvinder, Dr. Dheeraj and team, senior members from Dental Association, Ayurvedic and Homeopathic Associations, member of Delhi Medical Forum, and dear friends. In this centenary year of DMA, that is 100th year of DMA was formed in August 1914. So this is the older association than Indian Medical Association. So this is possibly the first association where the son came before the father. That is what is Delhi Medical Association. And this has been led by none other than people like Dr. Tuli, who is the oldest president here, Dr. Sitaram Agarwal, and our distinguished past president is Dr. Harshvardhan, whom we are felicitating today. He has not only brought laurels to the medical profession, but has heightened the glory of DMA. That is how I feel, and we also feel the same. He has once again re-established that how the word honest governance and performance are the key to the success, and that his personality personifies. And this is what is not Dr. Harshvardhan, it is what is we have called it so many times, is a culture, symbolized by known as Dr. Harshvardhan culture, which is honest performance and governance with a measurable output, which we have seen in terms of society and public parameters if we consider the polio eradication program which was initiated by Dr. Harshvardhan. Sir, we try to emulate you wherever and whatever we do, whether in professional field or in the social arena. We believe now that with you in key decision-making position as Health Minister of the country, medical fraternity will be strengthened to help the society on a larger, much larger scale, and which is desired result, that is the affordable and accessible healthcare to the country. Sir, whole medical fraternity is behind you, along with Delhi Medical Association. They all, everyone of present here, intends to work with you to solve the medical and healthcare issues concerning the society. And also there are some issues which we think now that we can have a access entry to the Cabinet Secretary office and Health Minister office in the Nirmal Bhavan uninterrupted, where at one point of time we had to sit overnight, if the junior doctors are here, we had to sit overnight outside the Nirmal Bhavan gate in the coldest night to solve that there should be no 2-year internship after MBBS, as you all know. We are sure, because you have supported us then, and we are absolutely sure that whatever problems we have, you have the same solutions for us. Moreover, sir, expectations of us and society have skyrocketed with the belief that quality, affordable, accessible health are really visible in the near future. Because health for the first time in the country, independent country, has been declared as a priority sector of the government. That is what we feel. Sir, we would like to work with you for developing public-private partnership models for quality healthcare in government or private sector, because our poor cannot afford the expensive private healthcare. The day is not far away, which we think that day is not far away, that 70% of India's population will not be under debt after medical treatment. That is what we believe. We request you, sir, that health be given infrastructural status with subsidies and loans, land taxes, and promotion of indigenous manufacturers like stents, the cardiac stents in urology and other equipment, and tax holidays for developing healthcare institutions in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Sir, possibly this is not the right forum, but linkage of trained ASHA worker and community health worker with registered existing doctors in the country can be a way for efficient delivery of health care, way other than telemedicine and out-of-box thinking. Then there are few issues which are bothering each one of them. There are a lot of consultants here. 50 rupees for a consultant going in the night to see a patient in emergency, like I am seeing Dr. Neurosurgeon there, Dr. J. Kumar, is devoid of any reasoning. In night he goes for 50 rupees. We strongly feel that cost accountants should do the cost analysis in the government sector. Based on this, the tariff of CGHS scheme should be decided for implementation in private sector. Because today's tariff is on L1, that is lowest bidding rate, L1 rate, which is without any scientific evaluation. Sir, as you are also, that this topic is very, very dear to you, that our young generation is suffering because of the poor quality of medical education. First problem is that UG-PG seats ratio is possible now is 4:1, which is breeding corruption in PG admission to the tune of crores of rupees for single PG admission, affecting not only that young student, but also the quality of healthcare in the country. We request you to have equal number of UG-PG seats with the single PG entrance examination. Sir, our service doctors are talking to you. Average life expectancy when India became free in 1947 was 42 years, which has gone up to 69 years now. And this skilled population of service doctors is retiring at the age of 58 years, or maybe at 60 years or 62. This should be a single reason for service doctor retirement age to be increased to 65 years, which 8 states had already done in this country. Sir, 100 of our contract doctors in Delhi are not being regularized despite CAT order. We request you to help them being regularized by the state government. Clinical Establishment Act needs total revision. I just give 2 examples. They have included single doctor in clinical establishment. Single doctor clinic, how can he become a clinical establishment? That is beyond any vision. And then there is a question of governance and the autonomy in clinic. We can give the details if you wish to whenever, sir. Sir, you eradicated polio. We in our own way has also launched the Fight the Bite program with NDMC and MCD, Dr. P.K. Sharma and MCD and everybody, and RWAs. Sir, we request you to help in this endeavor so that Delhi in foreseeable future becomes dengue, malaria, chikungunya free Delhi. A lot of our friends wants anti-quackery bill, and we also want from DMA that it should be passed by the government of India. Sir, to conclude, we as an association and as an individual needs your continuous guidance to restore the pristine glory of medical fraternity, and we would like to associate it with you in whatever capacity you would want us to. Health needs a curative intent and not a palliative one. इसीलिए हमको ऐसा लगता है सर आपके आने से अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं और हम आपके साथ उसके सहभागी इतिहास का एक पन्ना बनने के लिए उतावले हैं। थैंक यू।